Are you looking for a way to sync between Microsoft Outlook Calendar and Google Calendar? With zzBots, you can now install this as a full two-way sync from our bot store. This bot pack contains two bots. One bot will monitor for new or updated tasks in Microsoft Outlook Calendar and sync them over as Google Calendar events. The other bot will monitor for new or updated events in Google Calendar and sync them over as Microsoft Outlook Calendar events. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. Then click the Install button and follow the instructions to connect to your Microsoft Outlook account and to your Google Calendar account. After you finish installing this bot pack, you will be taken to the bots page, where you'll be shown an instructional video to help you finish setting up your bots. If you need help integrating your apps together or automating your business, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com and we'll be glad to help you.